Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 24th of August. I took a sell trade and I'm in some loss, so I'm gonna take a quick hedge right now. Okay, I just want to quickly calculate where I'm gonna exit this trade because I don't use stop losses. I hedge out my trades, which is how I'm able to just set an alert here. All right, I need to know when price gets to that point. If you want to learn how to do this, go to hedgingmastermind.com. And yeah, I hedge out my trades because it's a better way of growing your account and compounding than taking losses. We started this account with let me see if everything is set up well. Yeah, we started this account with $250. We've made over $10,000 withdrawal so far and over $45,000 profit. All right, looks like we're moving into a little profit on the hedge. It's going to take some time, but I believe that it's going to get hedged out today. Remember, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to copy my trades, go to Milgram Market, sign up with the link in the description below. It's the broker that I'm using. And yeah, make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account to be able to connect to my account and copy my trades. And I have a video of that, how you do that. Go watch my $10,000 withdrawal video or just a video where I explain how to do that. Also, the software that tells me where to hedge, when to hedge, the market trend, the market analysis, does everything in less than 1 second once you open your chart. Available on MC4. If you want to test it for 2 weeks, sign up in Milgram Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account so that I know that you're serious, and send me proof of WhatsApp and Telegram. I'll be right back when we're into more profits in this trade. All right, guys, we're back. I'm done hedging out this trade. We're even in some profits. Let me just close it out very quickly. And there you go, trade hedged out. Remember, if you want to learn how to do this, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to test the software for free, sign up with Milgram Markets, link in the description below. It's the same broker that I'm using. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account. You can test it for 2 weeks, but if you want it for yourself, still go to hedgingmastermind.com and you can just get the software, which is available on TradingView also. All right, so this is the trade for today. This has been hedged out. We'll be right back with another video when we're into more profits in the markets. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this, and make sure you have your notification bells on. Remember, if you want to copy my trades and if you want to test the software and you have proof of that, send me a proof on message on WhatsApp or Telegram, link in description also. And we'll be right back with another video soon. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you put a comment.